We have this perception around protein that it is the first and most important thing that we need. But when you think about what animals do most people eat? Cows,
Chickens.
pigs, chicken. And we say we need to eat that because why?
We need protein.
We need protein. Do any of those animals eat meat?
Nope.
No, none of them eat meat. Horse, strong animal. Rhino, strong animal. Gorilla, strong animal. Elephant, strong animal. I can go on and on. None of them eat meat. They're the strongest animals in the world. So why is it that humans are the only species of animals on the planet that need to eat meat to get protein? It doesn't make sense at all.